Onazale binye magbon ma vilo besame o kale kale na Onazale binye magbon ma vilo neneme kale kale na Obiokwe ayu you will go tamu pate Onafe ayu you will go tayamu shao Onazale binye magbon ma vilo neneme o kale kale na Onazale binye magbon ma vilo besame o kale kale na Obiokwe ayu yuwe go tamu pate Onafe ayu yuwe go tayamu shao Ebi mi magbon you we go have you gbe Agbon ka mo igo eye mo ipe no dio igo agbon ki mo ipe na Ani ono ojo ebi yo no jo good morning sir Agbon eye mo ipe no dio ye ki igo ki mo ipe na o Ona gi me nene Mr. Clifford Apeyome businessman based in Nairobi Apeyome o iyare wa yaba Apeyome dododo omonomo Mejo semu jame pana bita iyare wa yore semu jame dododo Masaja mwe pe no dio Masaja mwe pe no dio Oyi go amu ekpena, odun omo go amu ekpena. Dr. Alfred, based in Okanipe Ewohimi, Araba. Onazale binye magbon ma vilo, Dr. Alfred ime. Kale na. Engineer Akere Ofoba, based in Agoeti. Onazale binye magbon ma vilo Akere me kale kale na Obiokwe ayu you we go tamu pate Onafe ayu you we go tayamu shao The good brothers of Edo State based in Lagos Chairman Olotumi Engineer Moses Irabo based in Lagos Moses ime ne baba iyare wa yoro eye me Vice Chairman Friday Agoya popularly known Frayo me no mo iyare wa yore Frayo se me re ga yo ye wa ga ye me omo Onazale binye magbon ma vilo besame o kale na Onazale binye magbon ma vilo inele o Fayome kale na Obiokwe ayu you we go tamu pate Onafe ayu you we go tayamu shao Yego kan abuwa, oki dore geti mo, oki ri usi abale obo. Eja kiwe, oki mu moto na la pe, Peter se wa se pi moto fo. Nora ti Peter ye no ka tole. Oba ki se pi moto, oki gba me kwole, ayeru usi abale no. Ma se ja we pe no dio, odun won mo ga we pe na. Secretary David Osemelu Egbe Faraba Ìyá rẹ̀ wáyó bọ́ọ̀mẹ́ ní bàbá for ìlàbọ̀mẹ́ lórí ìwéko treasurer of the house. Kennedy mẹ́ ní bàbá ìyá àrúyó Kennedy wáyé ọmọ ẹ̀ PRO Masaja mwepe no dio, masaja mwepe no dio, yego dio ga mwepe na. Ona sale bimi la ko ma ha bi lo nene. Ale na. Engineer Mode e papa. Bezina goeti. On engineer Mode e papa na. Olo pe ana yi wena mele le ba mu ki mu jime mi yo so ba re pa aba o da le so na mesi ba je to bo so me agbonze beta egbadan aka baba one patron to Uromi Musicians Association to bo so me bo ore lo gboria to bo so re lo gbo pe a je go re lo gbo kan ona sale bini la ko ma ha bi lo neneme o ale no ale na Dr. Pele Street Dr. Pele vende baba ona sale bini la ko ma ha bi lo neneme ale no ale na Omi ogwe ayu, you will go to Mubate. On a pray ayu, you will go to Yamusha. You have to beg above you. If you have to beg above you, Necalogue and Necalo, you have to beg above you. Necalogue and Necalo, you have to beg above you. You have to beg above you. If you have to beg above you, I'm not your yen or even way. It may you work of your log. If you have to go above you, if you have to beg above you, it may you work of what way. I'm not your yen with your log. If you have to beg above you. If you have to beg above you, Mojo no remove way. You have to beg above you. Necalogue, Necalo. You have to beg above you. You have to beg above you. If you have to beg above you, Necalogue, Necalo. You have to beg above you, Necalogue, Necalo. You have to beg above you, Necalogue, Necalo. You have to beg above you. I'm a John or Ribuwa. You have to beg above you. When I'm a John or Ribuwa, you have to beg above you. You may you work with your bay. You have to beg above you. You have to go above you. You have to beg above you. May you work with your logo. You have to beg above you. Obata Bugbe. You have to beg above you. Adáyé ni èso ló ṣe pé o. Ìmẹ̀ ìwé fi bí ó gbé o. Ọmọjọ́ nà rí ibú wa o. Ọmọjọ́ nà rí ibú wa. Ibi àtúgù kò bọ́ ẹyẹ. Ibi ó bá tún gbé ìwẹ̀ náà. Lẹ́yìn ìwé fi bí ó gbé o. Lẹ́yìn ìwé fi bí ó gbé o. Ọjọ́ yẹn nà rí ibú wa yẹ. Yẹ̀wé fi bí ó gbé o.